Oh, you guys. I have been completely out of commission for 2 weeks. This flu. I just want to address the elephant in the room. I have not been here for so long. My daughter and I got influenza B. 10 out of 10, highly do not recommend getting influenza B. It's horrific. I have not been able to work out at all. I was in so much pain. I wasn't sleeping, I wasn't eating. I am so exhausted and I just do not feel like myself. Everything just completely depletes my energy levels, so much so that I fall asleep on the couch midday. And it's so unlike me and it's so frustrating because I had so much really good content for you guys moving into summertime, getting ready to go on vacation. So instead, honestly, I just think that this is so much more relevant to everybody. Like, we all get sick with perimenopause. I just feel like my healthy lifestyle has been start and stop and start and stop. Like, I finally get into a really good routine and then I get sick, or I get into a really good routine and then my daughter gets sick, or my hormones go off, or my inflammation levels get high and something knocks me down. I just think that that is so relevant to all of us here who have perimenopause, who are on a healthy lifestyle journey. For me, it's not about perfection. For me, it's about showing up for myself in the best ways that I know how. So in this video, we are not like starting over. We're not doing a comeback. We are just starting. You know what I mean? Like, we're just taking that next step in the right direction. Maybe later what we'll do is have some clothes I want to try on. So I'm going to try on some new clothes with you. I have been playing around with a new smoothie recipe that I think I'm going to put in next week's video. So stay tuned for that. It's going to be really good. We need to clean this house. We need to reset our fridge. We need to go grocery shopping. We got things to do. So we're starting small, but we do need to do those couple things because, guys, you cannot set yourself up for success if you do not have the healthy foods in the house. So anyway, if you guys are on this healthy lifestyle journey, if you're in perimenopause like me and you're on a self-love journey, trying to love yourself now so that you can get to that next level version of yourself, you're in the right place. So let's do this journey together. If you're new here, welcome. My name is Charlene Town and I share healthy habits and recipes and how to live a healthy, sustainable lifestyle that you actually love living in the body that you have, using, healthy recipes and mindset tips and tricks. So if that's something you guys are interested in, don't forget to like and subscribe, and let's jump into today's video. Look who woke up! Hi. Tired girl fit check. We're gonna make it. Let's go see what you've been up to. What? Whoa! Oh, look at that. I guess bubbles are pretty fun.
I like bubbles.
Me too. Okay, ladies, we are back from running all the errands. I will show you guys some of the things that I got from Costco. I wanted to do a little haul with you guys. I got a couple dresses from Amazon. They got delivered last night. I took them out and I literally just threw them in my bag. So I haven't tried them on yet. I'll show you guys first. You guys can give me your first impressions, or I'm giving you my first impressions. Honestly, I just hit a point where for the last 2 years that we've gone to Maui, I have only brought the clothes that I currently have, and my clothes that I currently have don't fit me. And so I never felt comfortable in my clothes, in my skin. I always felt like sausaged into everything, and it didn't make me feel good about myself. I just kept thinking like, I'm gonna fit back into my clothes. Like, I don't want to buy new clothes because I'm gonna get back into my clothes. Like, we're gonna figure this out. And it's just taking a little bit longer, and I've decided the size tag on my clothes should not matter. It should be how I feel in my clothes, right? So I don't need to go buy a bunch of different things, but I just wanted a couple little dresses to wear out because we've got a couple little date nights planned and I want something comfortable to wear. Okay, so I'm gonna show you guys those. We also stopped at Ulta and we did a pretty good haul, and I don't normally do this, so I thought there's some things in here that I think would be worth sharing. Let's do these guys first. I have been on a hair journey the last couple of years. I was bleaching my hair all the time. My hair broke off. I tried the Kitsch hair soap bars and they had too much protein in them and it made my hair completely brittle. I also wasn't adding any extra oil or hydration and nourishment back into my hair. So I stopped bleaching my hair for like over a year. I just started putting blonde back in my hair. I've been really trying to treat my hair. And then recently I've been really just looking at scalp health, and I've switched my shampoos a couple different times because I have psoriasis and I just always assumed that what was going on my scalp was psoriasis. I think I might have some psoriasis on my scalp, but I think what's really happening is I think I'm drying out my scalp because I think I have psoriasis. I keep using shampoos that are drying to try to get rid of the psoriasis, if that is all making sense to you. Okay, so all of that being said, it's been a long hair journey. If you guys want to follow my hair journey, I will pop up some pictures of like what my hair used to look like and what it kind of looks like now. It's the longest, healthiest it's ever been, and I just want to keep working on it, and like scalp health is where I'm going, okay? So this brand, Hair Story, has been popping up on my feed a lot. So the way that this works is that there are no detergents in here, so it's not supposed to dry your scalp out at all. It's a cream cleanser, so it's supposed to nourish your scalp, nourish your hair. It's supposed to be really great for air dried hair. I hardly blow dry my hair anymore. I do style my hair, but I've been like air drying it and then I'll curl it the next day. So they have two. I really wanted to try the original. They only had it in these like little travel pouches, but I thought that if I like it, like this would be really cool to take with me to Maui, because this is like a cleansing condition, and I think that these would both be like really good for me and Liv. The only big one they had at my Ulta was the Rich one, which is, they say it's for dry and thick hair. Like all of the things, I'm like one but not the other. So like they had one that's like a deep cleanse for fine but really oily hair, and I'm like, okay, I have fine, really dry hair. And then the original wash is for all hair types. So I think that this is gonna be the one for me, but this is what they had first and this is what I found. And I do have dry hair. I do want plump, hydrated hair, and I'm hoping that that helps with my scalp, because their whole thing talks about scalp health and how most shampoos are drying out your scalp, and then you're treating symptoms for something that's not actually psoriasis. It's actually just detergents that your body's allergic to, and I have very sensitive skin, so I want to give this brand a try. I'm really excited about it. They have a lot of other products. I think I got this one too. It's called a moisturizing air dry lotion. I'm hoping that this is gonna be something that I can like put in my hair when we're traveling, because my hair gets really frizzy in Maui because of the humidity, which is fine. I just think it would be really helpful to have hydration in my blonde hair. That way I'm not like wrecking it. I want to protect my hair. I'm trying to protect my hair as much as I can. So I'm really excited to see how these work and continue my hair journey. Let me know in the comments down below if you guys are here because of my hair journey, and if you guys are interested in hair care products. Let me know, because I could do a full review on this once I've tested everything and let you know my thoughts. If that's something that you guys are interested in, I am so excited to try something new. Let's see. I went there for a toner and a moisturizer to travel with, and I have been trying out Ole Henriksen products, and I have their eye cream and I really like it. And so they had this one, this Strength Trainer Peptide Boost Moisturizer. It intensely hydrates, improves skin strength, firmness, and elasticity with vegan peptides and ceramides. I have really dry skin, and so I just wanted like a little mini moisturizer that I could take with me. And so I got this guy, and I'm really excited. I just washed my hands, so just so you know, I'm gonna touch it. The one in, oh no, it is just super thick. I don't know if you can see that. It looks like super whipped and creamy, but it's like super thick, and it's almost like, it goes on almost like a serum instead of thick cream kind of a thing. So that's kind of cool. I'm excited to put that in my travel kit, and just, this will be the only moisturizer I use for the 2 weeks that we're gone. I'm excited to play around with new skincare. I love new skincare. But I was going to get just like a travel face toner because, again, I'm dry, and so I like to put water moisture back into my skin. But I have seen these guys all over, and I used the Anua moisturizer and the Anua face wash. I tried their PDRN serum. I didn't think that did anything for me, but I have seen so many people rave about this and like, use this to set your makeup, use this to hydrate your skin, like all of the things was this. And I was like, it's relatively small, it'll fit in my travel bag. Okay, let's try this on. It doesn't smell like anything, which is nice. That feels nice. Feels really nice. I feel very hydrated. Okay. And then if this is the thing that I'm thinking that it is, which I hope so, please be the thing. Yes. Yay! Okay, this is the one that I've seen like a bunch of my makeup girlies using. But it's the Anua PDRN Hyaluronic Acid 100 Moisturizing Cream. Everybody's been using this as like a pre-makeup primer almost. And I'm really excited. So we're gonna serum it up, okay? We're in our 40s now, and I already love serums. I already love like lots of moisture and hydration, but anything I can do to plump the skin and make it look great and have my makeup looking great, because that is what I find, like makeup gets dry on me and a little bit patchy. So we're gonna hydrate the you know what out of our skin, and I'm so excited. And if you guys are into skincare, let me know. I can let you guys know my thoughts on this. I'm excited to try those. Okay, but that's it for my little Ulta haul. I want to show you guys my dresses. And then, yeah, I gotta clean out the fridge and just clean and stuff. So I don't think this is gonna be a cleaning video. Maybe I'll take you guys into the kitchen and show you guys a couple of things, because I did get some oats, because I'm gonna bring some of my overnight oats with me, because I think that they'll travel really well. But yeah, let's pick this stuff up, and then I'm gonna show you guys my dresses. All right, so this is dress number 1. It's really comfy. I like the pattern. It has pockets. We love that. I love like a comfy, cozy dress on the island because you're kind of sweaty, it's humid or whatever. It's not the most flattering. I wish it was like a little bit tighter. Like I wish this was a little bit tighter just to give me a little bit more shape. Can you see that? I feel like it just kind of makes me look a little big and baggy. But for a last minute little thing, for a cute little sitting and be comfortable, and honestly you could wear it out to lunch or go to dinner, and I just wear some cute little sandals. I think it's cute. What do you think? Pockets. Gotta love pockets. Okay, let's look at dress number 2. All right, so this is option 2, and I actually love this dress. I saw a girl on like the LTK app or whatever post it, and it's actually super cute. It has like a little cinch in the waist, so it gives me some like waist. I love the pattern. It has pockets. Oh, I like it. I like the neckline. It's cute. I think this one wins over the 2. I like this one just because it gives me a little bit more shape. It's still super comfy, it's still baggy, but it's really cute. And again, with like some little sandals, it could be cute for lunch or a dinner. Okay, I will link both of these dresses down below and the hair stuff down below if you guys are interested in checking any of this stuff out. This one, the material is so soft. It's so comfy. It's gonna be perfect. Perfect for vacation. All right, you guys, we are getting ready to run out to an appointment. I really wanted to quickly show you. I just grabbed some like oats from Costco because I'm gonna make some protein overnight oats to take with me. I wanna show you this though. I know this doesn't seem like totally revolutionary, it's not, but we do travel with our own spices, especially since we're going to a place where we're going to be making a lot of our own food. It's just a lot cheaper to go to our local grocery store and buy bulk spices and put them in little baggies and take them with us than it is to buy salt and cumin and smoked paprika and like all those are all like $10 a piece when you go there, but I can buy a little bit of them for like $2 at our local grocery store. So that's a big hack. I just bring that with us. I also pack things like vanilla. which this is a bottle that we had used. You know, we used, and I just refill it with the Costco one. And I just take one with me so that if we want to bake while we're gone, it's Liv's birthday, sometimes we make cookies or whatever. Another thing I bring that I feel like has really helped is I bring our Blue Land Clean laundry detergent. They're like little tablets. I used Blue Land many years ago. At this point, I've been on Truly Free for over a year now. But Blue Land just has like little tablets for the washing machine, and I just find that this is so much better for me and my body, and I feel so much better than using the Tide pods and stuff when you're traveling. So I do pack these with me. I have a new one on its way to me, so I'm gonna be packing these guys. When I use a lot of chemicals, Tide and Cascade and like all those things, I feel a major difference in my body. And I noticed that a couple years ago when I was on vacation. And since the tablets are super quick, they're super easy to travel with, like they're not pods, they don't explode all over the place. It's great. I love that this is the opportunity that my dog decided that she's gonna eat, but I don't care. Just eat, 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 eat. Okay, so I'm gonna quickly just make up some pouches. Oh, the other thing, in the past, I have just brought my protein powder with me and then purchased a bag of flour and made my protein pancakes there. I'm gonna just mix up the dry ingredients for protein pancakes. Like I'm just gonna make a couple batches and put them in baggies and then just label them pancake mix. That way I don't have to buy all the individual ingredients. It's not worth it. I'm just gonna quickly throw together this. That way I have some high protein, delicious breakfasts. I know we're gonna go out to breakfast a couple times. It's not about perfection for me. It's about living a healthy, sustainable lifestyle. I wanna make sure I'm continuing to eat protein and fiber while I'm gone. And this is just the way that I will feel my best when I'm gone and when I come back. It's not about like a weight loss thing. It's not about whatever, like a body composition thing. I just like to set myself up for success. And if I can just like easily pack some of this stuff, it travels really easy because it's flat. You just put it in a baggie, throw it in the checked bag. It's easy, quick. Yeah, that's gonna be it for today's video. I did not clean out the refrigerator yesterday. I was so tired after doing that haul. I just kind of hung out with Liv, and then I had to make dinner and all of the things. So we still gotta clean out the refrigerator. We still gotta do a lot of cleaning. I will be back with another video very soon. Thank you so much for watching. If this was content that was helpful for you, if you enjoyed this kind of content, it would mean the world to me if you'd give this video a thumbs up and subscribe because it really supports my channel. Come hang out with me. I love to hang out with you. Comment down below. Let me know if you have any travel tips or tricks to help you live your healthy lifestyle, or like what's really helpful for you when you're going on vacation. I want to know about it. Let's all share in the comments down below. And that's it for today's video. I will see you next Thursday. I love you so much. Bye.